Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video we are going over TikTok likes not showing problem. It's pretty easy to get around it, so let's jump right in. Okay, so one reason why this could happen is that if you're a creator and want to get likes and views and things on your videos, you need to make sure that your page is not on private. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our profile if you haven't clicked on that yet, and then we're going to hit the hamburger option on the top right. We're going to go to privacy, and we're going to toggle off private account. Hit confirm, go back, and your profile should be public now. Okay, so another reason why this could be a problem is that TikTok's features may have been blocked by your country. The only workaround with this is to set up a VPN and use that VPN when you're on TikTok. I would recommend any of the paid VPNs such as NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Another reason for this error to occur is most likely TikTok server issues. In that case, all you have to do is to do a clean installation of the app. So to do this, we're going to uninstall and reinstall the app on our phone. So we're going to go to settings, and we're going to hit apps, and we're going to hit see all apps, and we're going to scroll down to find TikTok. And then we're going to hit uninstall, and we're going to hit OK. Alright, so we got it uninstalled. Now we go to the Play Store, and we're going to type in TikTok. And then we're just going to install it again. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.